Kashmiris on both sides of the line of control in Pakistan and all over the world will observe Youm istehsal tomorrow, the 5th August, to register their protest against Narendra Modi-led fascist Indian government's illegal action taken on that day in 2019. According to Kashmir Media Service, the Modi regime, in gross violation of the United Nations resolutions and international law, repealed the special status of the Indian illegally occupied Jammu and Kashmir and put it under military siege on 5th August 2019. Complete shutdown will be observed in Indian illegally occupied Jammu and Kashmir to mark the day as Black Day, while protest demonstrations, rallies, seminars and other events will be organized in Azad Jammu and Kashmir, Pakistan and the world capitals to draw attention of the international community towards the Indian brutalities in Indian illegally occupied Jammu and Kashmir. Call for the observance of the Youm istehsal strike and Black Day has been given by the All Parties Hurriyat Conference. Incarcerated AIIOJK Chairman Musarrat Alam Butt and other leaders including Mirwais Umar Farooq, Shabir Ahmad Shah, Naeem Ahmad Khan and Ghulam Ahmad Gulzar in their messages and statements released in Srinagar said 5th August 2019 is one of the blackest days in the history of Indian illegally occupied Jammu and Kashmir. They said that communal Modi government's move of abrogating the special status of Indian illegally occupied Jammu and Kashmir was aimed at paving the way for altering the demography, erasing the Muslim identity of Indian illegally occupied Jammu and Kashmir and imposing Hindutva ideology of RSS in the territory. They said that the people of Indian illegally occupied Jammu and Kashmir are standing firm against Indian occupation of their homeland and they will continue their struggle till they achieve their right to self-determination. Senior AIIOJK leader Agha Syed Hassan Al-Muswi Al-Safwi in a statement in Srinagar said that Modi government's August 5th move was not only a violation of the UN Security Council resolutions and international law but also the Indian Constitution. He appealed to the world community to take cognizance of India's illegal and unconstitutional actions in a UN-mandated disputed territory. Meanwhile, senior AIIOJK leader Mirwais Umar Farooq completed 3 years of continued illegal house detention today. The occupation authorities had placed him under house arrest on August 4, 2019, a day before the Modi regime revoked the special status of Indian illegally occupied Jammu and Kashmir. AIIOJK convener Mahmood Ahmad Sagar and leaders including Mohammad Farooq Rahmani, Syed Faiz Naqshbandi, Altaf Hussain Wani and Sheikh Abdul Mateen in their statement said fascist Modi regime through its brutal tactics would never succeed to subdue the Kashmiris' resolve to get freedom from the Indian yoke. On the other hand, a 50-year-old Muslim cattle trader Nazir Ahmad was beaten to death by a gang of Hindutva cow vigilantes near Barkhat village of Narmadapuram district in the Indian state of Madhya Pradesh. Nazir was only taking the cows to sell them in an animal fair.